Remember the time you were out in the town? It was your time. You seized the day and the night. If you lived before our time, who would you be? Would you fight your brother for the rights of another? Who would you be? Tonight, go where no camera has gone before. Inside America's top secret prison for terrorists. 60-minute season premiere. They're kids committing awful crimes. Are they homicidal monsters or they abused minors? Do they need us to get tough or get treatment? ABC Mondays, Dancing with the Stars is a whole new cast ready to make their move, and you can win 2 tickets to the live finale. ABC Tonight is all new, with big weddings planned on both Grey's Anatomy and Private Practice. But will they happen? It's billed as dental care everyone can afford. For some, it's a real-life nightmare. The Billboard Music Awards come to ABC, live Sunday, May 22nd, when others can't. Droid does.